Countdown timer is very easy to do and helps create a sense of urgency to drive sales. Simply click Get App, and you're taken to the POWR editor. First, we'll select our template. There's several to choose from with different color layouts and styles. You click on the one that you like, and once you've selected the one that you want, you just click on Use Template, and then off you go. We'll start with this one. Next, we go to Type, and we make decisions on what type of countdown timer do we want. Is it a fixed header that stays at the top of your page, or do you want it in a banner style? You can also choose countdown type. There are many to choose from. If there's a purple star, that is an upgraded version of the countdown timer. You simply click Upgrade Now, and you can look at the prices from there. Then we go to Content, and we set the dates that we want the countdown timer to be active, or we can also choose Always Active. Here we'll make decisions on what the counter labels look like, and then we do a few things to final design. You can choose borders and square or cycle. Then we'll have a look at layout and choose joined or separate numbers. Then we can select animation. There's 2 to choose from for free. Other choices to make are found underneath these tabs here. You can set your sizes. You can also connect to Google Tag Manager. That's a pro feature upgrade. And then we're off to publish. Simply click Publish in the top right. You can install directly onto a platform with custom code that's created for you. You can embed with code as an HTML element. You can also add to an email. Or you can create a standalone page. You click on Share App, you copy the link, and then you can open a new window and your app will be live on its own web page. Very simple to do.